Hi friends, welcome on YourPedia. So 24th May is the date up till what you can apply in Airport Authority of India ATC job, and in case you have not filled that particular form, 24th is the last date. So after 1 month of that you can expect exam, that is towards the end of June. I told you in my previous video that you divide entire syllabus into 3 categories: bucket A, bucket B, bucket C. Bucket A, all those subjects which carry majority of the weightage from where marks you can get and questions come, those syllabus is less, that you are supposed to complete by 30th of 31st of May. Then comes bucket 2 by 15th of June, bucket 3 30th of June. In case you have not joined the free WhatsApp group of YourPedia for Airport Authority ATC, please join it, because now mentors have started providing the very expected questions, probable questions for this particular exam. Those who do not know about Airport Authority of India exam, let me tell you, there are different components, maths, physics, etc., but they are quite simple. Syllabus is well defined, and because ATC, Airport Authority of India Junior Executive, this job for the previous couple of years exam is being conducted, so the syllabus is well defined. Though they have not mentioned the syllabus, but on the basis of the question papers it is well defined, so you can prepare very effectively. 1 month you can, if you put effort, within 1 month you can crack this exam. Many of students of YourPedia have done that. So in case you are looking for early settlement, immediate job and good job, wonderful job, Airport Authority can be wonderful opportunity for you. So start your preparation immediately friends. Fill the form 24th May, and by the end of the June you will get the exam, this particular exam. So if you really want to crack it, you want very good preparation strategy and preparation module, you can join YourPedia. You can prepare with the mentors of YourPedia. Thank you.